All right, everyone. Today we will be completing Lesson 5 in Booklet 5, that is price per unit. Now, often when you're buying an item, you could buy that item in different forms, in different sizes, if you will. For example, if I look at number 1, we're buying toilet paper. Now, often when you buy toilet paper, you can do so in a package of 6 or a package of 12 or maybe even a package of 24 if they're large enough. Now, each package is going to cost more the larger and more rolls that it contains, but it can be difficult to tell just how much money you're saving and which package is the best deal. Although usually, the largest package will save you the most money overall. Calculating the unit price per unit is something that supermarkets will often do for you, but you can also do yourself if they don't. This will allow you to compare two of the same items, that come in different sizes. So a unit price means how much do you pay for just one. So in example 1, sure, toilet paper costs $2.99 for a 6-roll package, but how much does it cost for a single roll of toilet paper in this package? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to set up a ratio, and that just means to set up a division. The unit price per 1 unit is equal to the total cost divided by the total number of units. So step 2 is to fill in the values that we know. We don't know what the unit price is. For 1 roll, but what we do know is the total cost. That is $2.99. And we know the total number of units, that's 6. So we're going to divide the total cost by the total number of units. $2.99 divided by 6 is going to give us 50 cents after rounding. So what that means is that we are paying 50 cents per roll. Okay? Each roll of toilet paper in this package costs us 50 cents. Now you can write per 1 roll, but it's implied. So I'm going to leave that blank. 50 cents for 1 roll. So for these next couple examples, divide the numbers and find the price per unit. In example A, that would be the price per jar. In example B, that would be the price per pen. And then make sure that your answer matches mine. So example A, find the unit price of baby food if it costs $4.50 for a 10-jar package. So we're going to take $4.50. We're going to divide that by 10. And what we get is 45 cents, not $45. Let me try that again. 45 cents per jar. Question B, find the unit price of pens if it costs $1.99 for a 12-pen package. We're going to take $1.99, divide that by 12, and what we get is 17 cents per pen. Each pen is costing us 17 cents in this package. Now, example 2 shows us why this is important. Which is the best price per donut? If it's $1.49 for 6 donuts, right, which nowadays would be excessively cheap. Maybe if we're talking about Timbits, we could get 6 Timbits for $1.49. But what's a better deal, 149 for 6 Timbits or 279 for 12? So we're going to calculate them separately, one in red, one in blue, and then we're going to compare them. Let's start with red. Now, if I take $1.49, divide it by 6, I find out that we are spending 25 cents per donut. Comparatively, if I take $2.79 and I divide it by 12, I find out that we are paying 23 cents per donut. So, although it is only 2 cents, technically we are spending less dollars per donut if we buy a pack of 12. As it often is, the larger the bulk you buy in, the cheaper it's going to be per unit. But be careful, that's not always true. Sometimes they make a mistake or they're trying to be a little sneaky on you. Now, I would recommend buying the pack of 12, but only if you have enough people to eat 12 donuts. It doesn't matter if it is cheaper per donut if the food goes to waste, right? Because at the end of the day, you are spending more money even if you're getting more product. All right, that's about it for lesson 5. Make sure that you are completing the worksheet and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.